Hello YouTube viewers, this is Dijin Jays from the Device Manager. In this video, I'll help you to fix the error code 0xC0000225 in Windows 10. These days I'm receiving messages from my subscribers about various Windows 10 related issues. Then I thought of making a playlist which involves all the issues related to Windows 10. So this is my first video on that. In the coming days I'll be uploading more videos in the particular playlist. So please do subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. Let's move on to this error code and let's see how to fix this. Actually, this error means Windows cannot find the files in the system used for booting, which indicates boot configuration data has been corrupted. This also can be because of the system files being corrupt, disk file system has a bad configuration, hardware fault. All those can be reasons for that. Okay. Users have reported encountering this error while updating Windows 10 or updating critical components of Windows, and the computer abruptly restarted and all you are is left with this error code and a PC that won't boot. But don't worry, that's why I'm here to help you. Let's not waste any time, move on to the methods in which we can fix this issue. Let's move to the first method. Method 1. Run automatic or startup repair. Run automatic or startup repair. Firstly, you insert the Windows 10 bootable CD and restart your PC. Then there you select your preferred language, and after that you select repair your computer, and there you will see in the choose an option you select troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot screen you select advanced options. In the advanced options you select automatic repair. Wait till the Windows automatic startup repair to complete, and after the completion you restart your PC and see whether the problem is fixed or not. If not, don't worry, let's go to method 2. Method 2. Repair your boot sector or rebuild BCD. Like I mentioned in the first method, you again insert your CD, boot your CD, then you select your language and repair your computer. You select that, choose an option troubleshoot. In troubleshoot you select advanced options. In advanced option you select command prompt. Okay. In command prompt you need to type 3 commands. First one is boot rec/rebuild rebuild bcd. Boot rec/rebuild bcd. Hit enter. It will scan all disks for Windows installations, and after that you will see a message like the operation has been completed successfully. Then you type boot rec/fix-mbr. The next command you should type is boot rec/fix-mbr. Then hit enter. After some time again you will receive a message like the operation completed successfully. After that you type the last command boot rec/fix-boot. Boot rec/fix-boot. After typing these 3 commands you will receive the message like the operation is completed successfully. Close the command prompt, reinstall your PC and see whether your problem is fixed or not. If not fixed, don't worry, let's go to the method 3. Method 3 is mark partition as active using diskpart. Mark partition as active using diskpart. I'll show you how to do this. Go to command prompt. There you type diskpart, diskpart, diskpart. Hit enter, and there you type. And after typing diskpart, hitting enter, you will see a lot of things like this: partition 1, partition 2, primary 100 MB, 19 GB, like that. After that you first type select partition 1. hit enter, and you can see a message like partition 1 is now the selected partition. Now after that, you type the command active, active. After typing the command, hit enter. Now you can see a message like disk part marked the current partition as active. Now you close the command prompt, restart your PC, and I'm sure that your problem will be fixed by this method. If not, let's move on to the fourth method. Fourth method is restore the MBR. For this, you need to do the same thing. You need to insert your Windows CD, then you select your language preference, and after that you select repair your computer. Then in that, choose an option, you select troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, you select advanced option. In advanced option, you again select command prompt. In command prompt, in this case, you need to type the code, not code, the command bootsect BOOTSECT /NT60 space C colon. If you find it difficult to follow the command, I've given it in the description. Just go through it. Okay? The command is bootsect /NT60 space C colon and hit enter. You will receive a message like target volumes will be updated with boot MGR compatibility boot code, like that, then successfully updated NTFS file system boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volumes. After getting these messages, what you need to do is close the window, restart your PC, and see whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, let's move on to the effective method, that is method 5, run chk disk and sfc. Run chk disk and sfc. Again, insert your Windows 10 CD, boot it. Now select your language preference, and after that you select repair your computer. In choose an option, you select troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, you select advanced option. From advanced options, you select command prompt. The command prompt window will appear now. In the command prompt, you type the following command: sfc /scannow, SCANNOW, again /OFFBOOT of boot dir equal to C colon, then backward slash /OFFWINDIR equal to C colon /Windows. Okay, after typing this command, you hit enter, and you can see some messages is shown. Don't worry about that. Now next, you type the following command: chkdskc colon /R, and you hit enter. After hitting enter, close the command prompt, restart your PC, and see whether your problem is fixed or not. I'm sure in more 95% of the cases, by this method the problem will be resolved. If not, let's go to the final method. Method 6, repair install Windows. This method is the last resort, because if nothing works out, then this method will surely repair all problems with your PC. Repair install, just using an in-place upgrade to repair issues with the system without deleting user data present on your system. So follow the video which I have given in the description, or it is also given in the video as well. Just click on it and it will guide you to the video on how to repair install Windows 10 easily. Watch the video, follow the methods shown in that video, and it will definitely fix your problem. That is the error code 0xC0000225 on Windows 10. If you still have any queries regarding this, please feel free to comment. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Dijin JS. signing off.